Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the autocomplete text view in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Eclipse Edit, that bundle, that ID is already open, and our device is also perfectly I can run. So yes, that I open the log. So you have to know the in window menu and go Android Virtual Device Manager and select your AVD and then start button and launch. So that is a device is running. So that I already take some this process. So we can not consume our time, so you can watch perfectly. So how that is a we can focus in our designing and coding, and in this session we can take auto complete text view. So text view, there are we have to use. First we can as a label, and then we can print or our output. But here we can select, yes, here we can take as a edit text. So let us take here in file menu, we can take new and Android application project. So yes, in first screen we can give like auto. So auto TV text view. So auto complete text view, that is a meaning. So that is I give the short auto TV text view. So next, yes, here we cannot change anything. Yes, all is well. Means our that workspace folder is selected. If not a proper, select, uncheck and browse and select in your drive, your laptop PC to select proper folder. But I that is a perfect. So we can take as next button. So here we cannot change the IC launcher underscore icon. You can also browse and take some different window logo, and also you can change your background. Default is a logo of white color. So that save surface. And next, yes, blank activity, that perfect selection. So next, and here main activity, that is our Java file, and activity underscore main, that is our XML based layout file. So that is a finish. So that takes some process, and that now our application is uh, now that yes ready. So what to do? So yes, here that is a by default you have to know. So auto text view and where is that is a control. So that is a we can say that first I can full screen, and here we can that hello world I select. In XML you have to know that is a relative layout and text view. So we can select and delete this text view and go in text field, and here in the last you can watch. So autocomplete and multi autocomplete. So here I cover the autocomplete text view. So that is a text view, not edit text. So let us check. I take yes autocomplete text view, that is a name, and let us check how it's work. So we can also take one button, and that click event we can select means that list of item. So you have to in like in any apps or in any website you can fill your data, that some hint or that previously we can enter or list of item that is appear. So that is a work as an auto complete text view. So now yes, that is a our design uh, that tab I can select, and here we can change auto complete text view, that is a one. So by default that ID I can change. So here we can say that uh, ATV, yes, auto text view. So auto complete text view. So let us check AC TV, auto complete text view. So all first letter I can take as an ID. And now, yes, that is a text is a autocomplete text view. You can also here we can say that select. Yes, here we can give a change the text. So we can say that select subject list. So that is a default text, and we can some that is a first that width I take as a match parent. So that is our y activity, that is a full, means that is size of our this rectangle screen. So that is the activity. So select your select subject list. So yes, we can provide, but how it's provide? So yes, we can use as a string array, and that is a resources. So we can go in value folder and string.xml. First we can create our list. So in XML file, and that is a string.xml, and here we can take a string array. So you can look string array, and then we can provide the name like subject of BCSM6. So because that is a Android as a subject in BCSM, so we can take item like first is a Android itself is a one subject, all subject in BCSM6 I cover. So previously in that is a like spinner I take as a programming computer, means programming languages, so C, C++ all. But here we can only 6 subject we have to take. So yes, there are, let us check. So here first is a Android, and then second is a data warehouse. Yes, and with SQL server. So that is a perfectly, and then third is a Python. Yes, and then practical dash one, then practical dash two, and last is a project. So yes, project. So yes, 6 subject we can create, that is a string array resources, and how to apply, how to give this list to our autocomplete text view. So yes, that is a perfectly. So that is a design is ready, and our string.xml, that our list is ready. Now we can open. You have to know SRC, that is a source folder, that full form SRC. You have to know main activity, that is our residence of Java file. And now first we can take one reference in that is our main activity and activity class extend. So in this class we can take as a auto, yes, autocomplete, yes, autocomplete text. So we can take as a ID. So we can say that yes, I give the auto TV, yes, or any, that is a reference. So yes, or we can give as a but that we have to take our ID. So I give the auto TV, yes, auto text you, that is I only, but that is you can look, that is a some, that our name of ID. So that is a directly in blue color. So we can short. So a TV, yes, that is a, we can give as a XML based ID. Let us check. So I think we can take, yes, ACTV, autocomplete text view, and here we can take ID just ATV. Okay, so that is a reference. And now in the on create method we can take ID from our Java file, r.java file, and ATV, autocomplete text view, that is IQ short, and find view by ID, that is a method of activity class. So yes, r dot id dot, yes, ACTV. So that is a our XML, that ID. We can get the permission of r dot. So all our resolution, our style, dimension, our icon, all that is maintained in r dot Java, and r dot Java is a automatic machine generated. So that is automatic create, we can do not modify. Yes, and here that is a typecast require add to cast auto, because a find you by ID, that is a return is a view. Yes, so view is a parent class, so that we can need is a typecasting. And yes, where is r.java file? So here you can look second folder in our main project folder. So that is a, yes, so Auto TV is our project name. So here that is a blue color. Yes. So I can change ATV, and now I open r.java file. Where is there? Yes, gen generate Java file and r.java. I double click. So here you can look. So do not modify. So all our idea, I already take one video lecture or anatomy of Android application. So you can watch. I give the detailed idea of our Android project structure. So that is known as a anatomy of Android. So yes, I close this r.java because there is a do not modify. You cannot change anything, otherwise that taking error. Now what to do? So yes, you have to watch spinner, static and dynamic list I provide. So dynamic list I that time we can take as a ArrayAdapter class. So here that same process we can take ArrayAdapter class. So that is a good. So yes, you can look that is the same package, and here T4 that is a data type. So here we can that is our list is a string data type. So AD yes list yes AD. So ArrayAdapter that is I give as an object name. So here we can provide as a memory allocation, and yes here we can pass get application context and second. So that is a we can pass yes here we can pass as a like our first yes our layout. So Android dot r yes, and then we can say that layout yes, and then we can choose. So we can see here simple drop out item line. Yes, that is a I think perfect. So let us check. And third argument yes that constructor is overloaded, so we can pass two or three arguments. So what to do? So here we can provide our list. So first we can take here one string yes string class that is a subject, and that is a 1D array, and where we can take that list. So here we can subject yes and use the get resources. That is a method of activity class get resources. No, method of context theme wrapper class. That is a get request oriented. That is activity. So get resources is a context theme wrapper class. Yes, and that is a resources. Yes, that use as a resources. So yes, next we can get yes that is a get string array. You can look here that first. So get string array, and we can find r dot yes that is a array. So not id r dot array dot that is our name. So you can look that our name is appear subject. So we can give in the string.xml file. So semicolon. So here is a subject and there is also subject. So yes, we can change it. I think not any confliction, but here better we can uh, different give the name of array name different. So here we can set that subject uh, uh, or we can say that est list subject list. Yes, I give the change that so that is a not conflict any. So yes, subject s list yes, and that here sub that is ready. You can look here. We can in string .xml file that is our id sub, and there are 6 subject in BCSM 6. So we can take yes. And now how to apply? Yes, so here in our constructor we can pass as list as a string 1D array. So now that all error is gone. And now how to apply? Yes, so how to apply in this set? So here you can say that that is a ATV, that is a autocomplete text view, that is our ID, and we can say that set adapter, that is a method. You can look, and we can pass as a ArrayAdapter. So that is a adapter yes, but that is our name as a adapter is not there. Ad list. So ad list. Okay, so that perfectly. And now how to select and print item from autocomplete text view. So yes, that is a ATV, and we can say that a set on click listener. Yes, that is a like button can click listener. So I select and provide the nameless object. So you can see that on click listener, and that is a anonymous inner type. So yes, that parenthesis start here and complete to here. So we can provide semicolon. So one error is gone. And now what? So you cannot take in mouse over here or here. So that is a remove, and here that is a change. But here we can take as a on click listener. So you can see that is a import android.view.view class. So that is a on click listener. So that our package is import and all error is gone. So that is a better. And now what to do? So we can use as a toss class to print our list of autocomplete text view. So you can also use as a simple text view to print your output. So input is a autocomplete and print also text view. That is a possible in Android. So yes, here that is I take some up. So here first that is a context. So you can pass main activity this or get application context. There are two possibility. So we can pass as a main activity dot this. Yes. So that is a current that our activity address is passed, and then here we can print. So a TV. Yes, that is our text view. So we can say that get text. Yes, and get text and to string. So that is a perfectly, and duration. So that is a toss class again. That is a two constant member public static constant because that is uppercase, and that is a constant member. So long and then show. So it is a display. So let us check. I control S save this our coding, and now we can run. Yes. So let us check how it's run. So yes, you have to know we can select our Android application project and right click. Yes. So that is a open one window and run as. That is a first technique, and also you can run this button here is there, and now that is a running. So you can watch in our status bar that is a going some process, take some process, and our device is ready. So that takes some time, and let us check that taking some process we can revise our designing and coding in this application apps. So yes, first we can take one that is a in palette window text field, that is a all are, that is a edit text, but in last there are two autocomplete, that is a text view, and multi autocomplete text view. So in my next upcoming video I also cover multi autocomplete text view, and next upcoming I step by step all edit text and other layout, and here that is a form widget we can take all step by step. That is known as a user screen element, and that is Android control. So that is known as a user screen element. So that is a perfect. And now what to do? So we can take in value folder. Yes, here that is a value and string.xml file we can open and take string array and name is a subject and provide the 6 item to our 1D array. So that is a list of array, and how to provide. So we can go in main activity.java in src folder and double click in main activity Java file, and here first we can take one reference autocomplete ATV and one as subject list one D array, and first we can get resources. Yes, and that is a, yes, you can look, that is a method of context theme wrapper, and return is a resources. So we can take again string resources, so one D array, so get string array. So here nesting, so that is a string array return data type, and that is a, we can say that Android dot resources, that method, and r dot array dot subject. So that is a, our subject list name sub, and there are 6 subject. So we can attach in our autocomplete text view. So what to do? So here we can take as a ArrayAdapter like spinner control. We can bind as a dynamic data bind with a spinner. Same process we can follow this logic. So array adapter, that is a data type string. Ad list, so that is a, we can see the array adapter list, and then pass the three uh, argument or parameter in constructor of array adapter class. So get application context, and also you can main activity dot this, like here we can pass in toss main activity this. So in toss class makeText also there are three argument, and here with constructor we can also pass three argument. So get application context android.r.layout.simple drop down item underscore one line, and at a one line at a, and drop down. So an S list. So that is our 1D array, just string array. And now what to do? So autocomplete set on click listener. We can take on click and toss. We can print the selected. So get text. So user when select any list of item that print in the toss, and you can also use simple text view. Your autocomplete text view. So that is a perfectly, now I think our application, yes, so that is a perfect select subject list, and I click. So yes, selected subject list, and how? So yes, I think we can take, yes. So that is a print, but our, so we can, I yes, remove, and let us check our subject list. So I give like Android. So yes, that is a appear, but here not display. Yes, that is Android. So that is a autocomplete when we can provide one time. So after that is a select from list, autocomplete, automatic filling. So look, yes, Android is print. Now what to do? So how it's run is very important. So here we can take like our Python. So I Python and enter. So yes, that is a, so you can look, that is a print. So we can provide, yes, here that is a, yes, now that is, I think here is a list is fine. So yes, Python is select. So yes, we can not perfectly list out. So all item one we can enter that time after that is a list out. So here we can change that layout. So that look better. Let us check. I provide some different layout. So let us check. Yes, so many layout is there. So yes, expandable list item one, drop down list item one. Yes, simple. Yes, sometime we can also use simple list item one. So let us check. I give the simple, yes, list item one. So save, and we can run again. So I directly run from this button auto complete text view, and wait some time that taking new means, that is we can change our second constructor argument. So that is a previous output is gone, and our status bar, that is a save means run our apps to as a change update or output. So let's wait some time. So better you can, let us check that list is in white background, so we cannot identify. So yes, look now, yes, selected item, and now I can fill. Yes, let us check. So I click, that is a select subject, but that is not our subject. So we can attach. So let us check Android. I fill. You can look here. That is I click. That is display Android. Yes, and when I press enter, so that is a better. And now that afterward, that is, now I can give like a DW. Yes, that is appear. You can look. So yes, now that is appear. So when we can take first letter of that any, like I give the project. So you can look, that is some, just P. There are starting 2, 3 practical, 1, 2, and project. So I just print project. So all list is displayed, but that not visible here. There are 3 span. Yes, I again type. Yes, look. So all are 3 list here. Any one you can, but here not this proper. Yes, now that's display. So when we can enter, so it is a perfectly. Now yes, I give practical one. Yes, and that is a better. So when we can select just practical one. So yes, that is. So yes, you can take one button and click event. You can better print because here not print perfectly, and our list is not perfectly displaying white background. So again, we can change some. Yes, I layout change. So that is a depend upon the layout. So yes, simple drop down item line one that you can use, and yes, inner drop down item one is there. So let us check. We can, that is a testing. So simple spinner drop down item and simple activate. Yes, let us simple list item activate list. Yes, let us check activate. So that is, I think, visible or not. So we can save. Yes, so many layout is there. So we can testing because that not displays perfectly our requirement. So again, we can run. Yes, I select this button. So that is a running. Yes, here status bar you can look. So any you can change that. First you can save and then run. So your latest change apps output is run in your device. So that is, you can better experience. So step by step you can solve any that is not any error, but our list is not visible. So in white, that is a color. So let us activate list is display or not. So yes, that is a first is select means display. So yes, that is a in display in toss. Now I can remove and Android. So but yes, that is a not display again. Yes, after we can select, that is a display. So it is a yes. Now I can select like project. So P. So P. Yes, there are three. You can look. There are three because practical one, two, three is visible. Means that is a not display properly because that color is white. But after I can select, that is a display. Look. So here practical one. So again I can remove and then we can give like yes, so I select as second one. So you can look, that is a practical two. So that is a autocomplete text view. Yes. And we can here take one button or yes, that is a list. One is display. But after that is a toss. We can not perfectly print. So we can take one button and taking this all selected item from text view. So let us, that is a better to in click event or button. So I go in our main, that is a design file, and here I put one button so that you cannot match in, that is autocomplete text view, but in last in contact with parent means activity. So that perfectly. And now I can go in our XML file. So you can take here one button bt and submit, and here also I change the text as a submit. So I save and then go in our Java file. So same process. First we can take one reference. So button b1 and that taking error. So what to do? So that is a required that package. So we can import. Yes, I just mouse over and import that button. Yes, same widget package toss and that button and ArrayAdapter autocomplete text view all are in widget. So you can also take as a string, but at only four we have to use. And now what to do? So same process, we can take first id from r.java file. So v1 find view by id, that is a method of activity class. r.id dot, that is a btn submit semicolon and type casting needed. So here I give the type casting. Yes, and now we can take as a set. Yes, so b1 dot set on click listener and new same previously on click listener. So there is no any error because that already package is import and semicolon is needed. And that toast class I take and I cut and paste to our button click and remove this comment line and remove this set on click listener of autocomplete text view that is not required. We can take as a one button. So now perfectly. And now also we can not display item is perfectly. So yes, what to do? So here again I activate list one item is activate, but that not display properly. So we can use as a simple drop down is not working. So we can take like spinner. Yes, simple spinner drop down item or simple spinner item. So let us check that layout work on spinner control, but here let us check. We can provide in this autocomplete text view. Now, yes, first I can save. Yes, all are saved and run again. So yes, let us check. So yes, that not display. So I auto now that is running. Yes. So you can look always in status bar that green that progress bar is going on. So that is a run mode, means our application is running. So wait some time. So we can take as a set on click listener of button control, and that we can print in the toss class makeText method. So we can show up that output means our autocomplete list is means display perfectly. So yes, that now I can submit. So then yes, selected subject list. So that is a default text. Now I can remove, means that is a remove. And let us check. I print Android. So yes, but display is a in white color. So we can I just select. So yes, you can look that time it's display, and now we can submit. So that is a perfectly previously not some we can remove and then give items. So sometime is print or sometime not print. But now you can submit. So that is all time that display in toss. And also you can take some simple text view and print your output. Now I can remove again this item. So that is a list is display. I take as a PRA. So that is all three you can hear. There are three sessions, three item is display. So last is a project. So look, yes, and submit. So yes, so many different layout you have to take, but that list is not visible. So again, I last time testing, so I can change layout again our previously. So sometimes that is a display perfectly. So I remove this spinner, insert that layout and give the simple yes drop down. Yes, that is a I think sometimes that display perfectly, or you can also simple list item one. So let us check simple item list first. We can check because previously that drop down we can already check. So last time I can save. Let us check visible or not. So run. Yes, that is running. So that let us check that list is a. So when we can select that time is activate means that color is a white in default. So we cannot take in any. So we can take our layout also. That is a possibility. So let us check. Just wait some time that your save apps output is running, and yes, now that appears. So you can let us check. I submit. So selected subject, that is our default text in autocomplete text. I remove this text, and you can also blank. So now I can Android. So yes, that is a display but not in white color. After I can select, that is activate. So that is all layout we have to testing. And now Android, then Python. Yes, that is also display. So look, that is autocomplete. So our item select from the list. So that is a autocomplete. You can look, that is a Python. So all is well, but we can change so many different layout, but that list is not sometime activate. So that is a background that it's setting. So we cannot modify. So you can testing so many different layout is there. So you can check all one by one out, means layout. So otherwise our coding and all are perfectly, no any change is required. Yes. So I hope you can understand and enjoy. So I've already summarized all this our coding, and I think I complete my session. So yes, last time I select Android. So from the list, yes, yes, now that is display. So means that is we can select that time display. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.